Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn step by step how to verify your PayPal business account quickly and easily so you can start accepting payments without any hassle. Verifying your PayPal business account is a crucial step to unlock all the features for your online transactions. And to build trust with your customers, here is a simple step-by-step guide to get your PayPal business account verified without any confusion. First, you need to make sure that you have a PayPal business account. If you only have a personal account, simply upgrade it by logging into your account and navigating to the settings section where you select Upgrade to a business account. Then follow the steps to provide the necessary business details, including your business name, address, phone number, and business type. Once your account type is set, the next step is to confirm your email address. Go to your inbox, find the confirmation email from PayPal, and click on the verification link. This step is essential as it links your email to your account and authenticates your identity. After confirming your email, you will need to link your bank account to PayPal. This enables you to move money in and out smoothly. From the wallet section, select Link a bank account and enter your bank details. PayPal will make 2 small deposits into your bank account within a few days. Check your bank statement or online banking to find the exact amounts. Then enter these amounts back into your PayPal account to confirm ownership of the bank account. Next, the identity verification is required. For this, you will need to upload documents such as a government-issued ID, passport, or driving license, along with a proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure your documents are clear and valid. You can upload these documents directly through the PayPal Resolution Center. After submission, PayPal will review the documents, usually within 24 to 48 hours. Once your documents are accepted, your business account status will update confirming your account is verified. This step is important to lift any withdrawal limits and increase payment acceptance capabilities. Additionally, linking your credit or debit card is recommended. This can be done from the wallet area by selecting Link a Card, which allows faster payments and added security. When all these steps are complete, you will receive a confirmation email notifying you that your PayPal business account is fully verified. Remember, verifying your account opens doors, higher transaction limits, advanced seller protections, and the ability to integrate PayPal seamlessly with your online store. Always keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity through the PayPal dashboard. This is the easiest way to verify your PayPal business account. Follow these steps carefully, and you will be ready to efficiently manage your business payments through PayPal without any delays. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials and updates on online business tools. Thank you for watching and welcome to our channel.